Okay. Everybody. Hello, hello.
Hello, teacher.
Everybody, good morning. Good.
Good morning, teacher.
Very good. Sit down. Good morning. How are you today, Am?
Good. Good. Thank you.
I am very good. Thank you. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you are ready, you clap your hands. If you are ready, you clap your hands. If you are ready. If you are ready, clap your hands louder. If you are ready, you clap your hands. If you are ready, you quiet, please. If you are ready, you quiet, please. Just one, please. 5, sit down. Not sit down. Sit down at your seat. Sit down at your chair. Online. Hello. Yesterday who came to school? Okay. Teacher miss you so much. Okay. The rules that you can sit here, which means you cannot talk. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Are you ready?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Are you ready? Oh, yes. 3, 2, 1. Today we will review from last week. Can you remember what we studied about?
The earth rotation.
Very good.
And
Everybody listen. For the word that start with E. For the word that start with E, which means we have to change the
earth rotation.
No. One more time. When the word start with E. When the word start with E, right? We have to change sound of the to D. D. Which means this one we read as the Earth's rotation. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Earth's rotation.
The earth rotation.
Very good. Everybody say it together. 3, 2, 1. The Earth rotation. Very good. Can you remember? Can you remember what is the rotation mean? The rotation means they spin by itself. They move or it spin. Okay. Can you remember what is it? It is
Earth.
Very good. Earth. Everybody say together. Earth. Where we live right now? We live in the earth. So as you can see the earth, what do you think? How many percent of water in the earth? Do you know? How many percent? No, water.
I don't know.
Water. They are 70%. Which means in our earth they contain 70% of water. Yes, fully 100%. 70% is water. I don't know. Yes, because they contain a lot of water. Yes, it is. And how about 30%. 30% is land. Land. Land is 30%.
น้ำเยอะกว่า
yes it
น้ำ
is.
เยอะกว่า
because
มนุษย์สำรวจถ้าน้ำได้5%ที่น้ำท่วม
because
น้ำได้ตอนที่น้ำท่วม
so right now we have to save the world, right? Save the world, save energy. Very good. Okay. What is this one? What is this one? No helicopter right now.
It is a helicopter.
No, it's not helicopter. What is it? It is an earth. We call it rotation. The earth.
Rotation.
What? The earth rotation. Rotation. The earth rotation means how the earth spin. Spin. Okay. Ski. Yes, it is. Okay. So, can you remember how many types of earth rotation? How many types? No. How many types of earth rotation? How many types of earth rotation that they explain? How many types? Last week, can you remember how many types are there? How many types there are? 2. Okay. Which means rotate around itself. Which means they rotate, they move, they spin around itself. And how about next one? It is orbit the sun. What does orbit the sun mean? Orbit the sun means they move around the sun. The earth move around the sun. Move around the sun. Good job. Quiet. The earth move around the sun. Hey, quiet. The earth move around the sun. Okay. So one more time. The earth rotation. Rotate around itself. Which means the earth, this is the earth, right? The earth rotate around itself. Rotate around itself. Yes, it is. Orbit the sun. Orbit. Pan, do not shouting. No. Orbit the sun. Orbit the sun means move around the sun. Go. Move around the sun. Very good. What do we call this one? Can you remember? What do we call? We call it as solar system. Very good. Solar system. Very good. 3, 2, 1. Solar system. Very good. Solar system. Solar system. Very good. So the sun.
The sun is the center of the solar system.
What does the solar system? What does the center means? The center means in the middle. In the middle. For example, this one. Teacher have 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which the center mean in the middle. Which means this circle is a center. Okay. Which means the sun is the center. Is the center of the solar system.
The sun is the sun.
The sun is the center of the solar system. Very good. Okay. Look at this one. What is it? Which mean? What do we call two of these? It is the earth rotates around itself. And also orbits the sun. The question is, what type are these? What do we call this one? What do we call this one? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. The earth rotates around itself and also orbit the sun. What do we call? What do we call? What do we call? The earth rotation. The earth rotation. Very good. The question is, how many types of the earth rotation? How many types of the earth rotation? How many types of earth rotation? Right, how many types of earth rotation? There are very good. There are two types of earth
rotation.
What are they? What are they? They are rotate around itself. Rotate around itself and orbit
the sun.
Very good. Okay. 3, 2, 1. One more time. How many types of earth rotation? There are 2 types. There are 2 types. What are they? Rotate around itself. Rotate around itself. Orbit the sun. Orbit. Yes, I forgot R. Orbit the sun. I forgot R. Okay. I'm going to put R on it. Orbit the sun. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Quiet. Quiet. Stop. Stop. Stop right now. If you talk, teacher cannot teach, you know. Because you have to think that your friend is online, okay? Okay. Online, are you with teacher, yes or no? Are you with teacher, yes or no? Yes. Okay. Teacher can see Pampoon. Teacher can see Pon. Teacher can see organ.
Chupapi muñeño. Chupapi muñeño.
What are you talking about, Ferris? What are you talking about?
Chupapi muñeño.
Hello. Then. No talk, please. Okay. Can teacher continue now? Okay, yes. Okay. Oh, Ferris, I think it's a bit scary, you know. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. The sun is the center of the
Solar system.
What is it? Where is it? It is a solar
System.
system. Look at this one. When planets move around the sun. The planets move around the sun. Solar system.
Solar system.
Okay. Can you remember? Can you remember each? What? Can you remember? First of all, the red one. What is it? What do we call? It is the sun. The sun. Very good. The sun.
Sun is red or blue?
Sun is red. And then, can you remember what is it? We call it as Mercury. 3, 2, 1. Mercury. The second one, what is it? It is Venus. Very good. Venus. It is very good. Earth. Next. What is it?
I don't know.
It is Mars. Mars. Mars.
ดาวอังคาร
Mars. And next.
พี่เชื่อพูดภาษาไทยได้ไหม
It is? No, it's not Uranus. No, it's not Neptune.
Jupiter.
It is Jupiter. Very good. Very good. Jupiter. 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 And then what do we have a ring on it? It is Saturn. Very good.
Uranus is
And next is Uranus. Last one is
Neptune.
Neptune. Which means how many planets in our solar system? How many planets in our solar system? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and
8.
There are
8.
There are
System.
8. There are 8. Teacher says stop, please. Teacher cannot hear your friends. No, there's no moon in our solar system. What does the solar system? The solar system means the planets that move around the sun.
Moon is move around the earth.
Pluto is not in the solar system because
นับออกไปแล้ว นับออก
very small. It's too small. They
very small.
Very small. It's too small, which means there is cut Pluto out from our solar system.
รู้จักพลูโตชอบด้วย
Yes, it is. Okay. One more time. Mercury.
Venus. Earth. Jupiter.
Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. 3, 2, 1, set. Who talk? Who talk? The question is which planet is the biggest? Which planet is the biggest? Biggest.
Sun.
No, we don't.
Jupiter.
Jupiter, very good. Jupiter. Jupiter, good job, Jupiter. Jupiter, Jupiter, very good. Next, which planet is the smallest? Which planet is the smallest? It is Mercury. Mercury. Next, which planet contain a lot of gas? Gas. It is Neptune. Uranus and Neptune.
Jupiter is a gas too.
Yes, Jupiter is a gas too. Yes, it is. Which planet has a ring on it? Which planet has a ring on it?
Saturn.
Saturn and Uranus. Very good. Wow. Okay. Which means the Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Which means the Earth is the third planet from the Sun. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay. Look at this one. What picture is it? Earth and okay. Which means if you can see the exist, if you can see the exist like this, they have day and night. Which means no. Okay. Which means the Earth takes 1 day or 24 hours to rotate around itself. Which means the Earth takes 1 hour or 1 day or 24 hours to rotate around itself. And how about around the sun? Move around the sun. It is, can you remember? Tick tock, tick tock.
1 year.
It is 1 year. 1 year or 365 days. Yes, it is. Okay. See? How long does it take for the Earth to orbit the sun? Can you remember? It takes 365 days. Very good. And
2 months.
And how about how long does it take for the Earth to rotate around itself? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
24 hours.
It takes 24 hours. Good job. Which one is the center of the solar system? Which one is the center of the solar system?
Sun.
Sun. Can you remember sunrise and sunsets? First of all, you have to know about the direction. We have 4 direction, right? We have north, south, east, and west. We have 4 direction. North, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. North, south, west. Look at this one. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Which means the sun. The sun. Which means the sun will go up in the east and go down in the west.
Right.
No, not right. Do not write. Which means the sun. Think about the sun. The sun. The sun will. The sun go up in the east. And then the sun will go down in the west. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Look at this one. 3. What are you doing? Hello. What you doing? Okay. Look at this. Okay. The area that gets the sunshine first is called the east. Which means the sun rises in the east. The sun
rises in the east.
Very good. And the
sunset in the west.
Very good. The question is, which direction does the earth rotate? Which direction does the earth rotate? The earth rotates from the west to the east. Next, which direction does the sun rise? The sun rises in the rises. The sun go up. Rises in the east or west? East or west? East. Very good. East go up and west go down. Okay. All right. Which direction does the sun set? Which direction does the sun set? Which direction does the sun set? The sunset in the west. Very good. Let's try. 3, 2, 1. Quiet. Who talk? Quiet. Newton, sit down. Newton, hurry up. Newton, 5. Okay. The earth rotates around the sun or the moon? The sun or the moon? The sun or the moon? The sun. The sun or the moon? The sun or the moon? The sun. Around the sun. Next, the sun is the center of the solar system or the galaxy. The
solar system. The earth. Newton, teacher will ask, can you answer? The earth is the planet from the sun. Second or third? Second or third? Second or third?
Second or third? Ơi, second or third? Third. Ui, third. Okay. The earth takes 1 year or 1 day to rotate itself.
One day.
One year.
One day.
One day. Very good. One day. The sun rises in the east or the west? Quiet. The sun rises in east or west? East or west? East rises, the sun go up east or west? Go up. East. Very good. And set in the east or west?
The way.
Good. Oh. Teacher will check one more time, everybody. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Look at this one. Look at this. Okay. The area that gets sunshine first, which means the area that the sun will go up first, we call it as east. Okay. Go up east. Go up east. Go up east. Go up east. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up east. Very good. Go up east. Rises. Which means the sun rises in the east. In the east. Very good. When sun rises, right? So what time that the sun rises? What time that the sun rises? What time is it? In the morning, and the sun will set in the morning. In the evening. Which means the area that gets the sunshine last is called west. Which means when the sun go down west, go down west, go down. Go down west. Go down we call sunset. Okay. Okay. Is it easy? Is it hard?
Easy.
Very good. Okay. That's it for today. See you again tomorrow. Today. Bye.
Bye. Very easy. Teacher.
Yes, please.
Next.